afternoon, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Mimi M. Damian. I'm 37 years old. I live in Philippines and I have 2 kids. They are all female. The age is 8 and 5 years old. Before, I worked in Singapore country as domestic helper year 2009 to 2011. And now I'm applying as DH or domestic helper in Hong Kong again. I chose Hong Kong because the employer gives right and balance to their helpers, and also the salary, a high salary they give to us. I hope someday